Relational Database Management System. Hello everyone, I'm Avila Clemenshia, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Nirmala College for Women, Coimbatore. The contents of today's session are normalization and normal forms. Normalization is a special feature in relational database management systems. It is the process to minimize the redundancies in relations. Redundancies gives rise to various anomalies during the process of insertion, deletion, and updation on tables. Rules of normal forms are used to eliminate such redundancies. Normal forms are a set of rules to achieve the process of normalization in relations. Normal forms can be classified into first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, BCNF, which is Boyce Codd normal form, fourth normal form, and fifth normal form. Let us see the details of the most commonly applied first normal form, second normal form, and third normal forms in the rest of the video. First normal form. A relation is in first normal form if every attribute in that single relation is a single valued attribute. Consider the example of student table. Here, one student has multiple values for phone number attribute. So, on applying first normal form, the table is split in such a way that the first record is split into two rows. Second normal form. A relation must be in first normal form and the relation must not contain any partial dependencies. So what is partial dependency? No partial dependency means no non-prime attribute, that is, the attributes which are not part of any candidate key is dependent on any proper subset of any candidate key of the table. In score table, teacher attribute is dependent on the subject ID and it is not dependent on the student ID.
As there exists partial dependency, those attributes are removed and added in a new table. Thus, the score table is now split into two tables with score ID, student ID, subject ID and mark attributes in one table and subject ID, subject name and teacher attributes in another table. Hence, partial dependency is removed and second normal form is applied. For the third normal form to be satisfied, the table must be in second normal form, which implies that the table is already in first normal form. Secondly, transitive functional dependency of non-prime attribute on any superkey should be removed. That is, non-prime functionally depending on another non-prime attribute needs to be removed from the table. In this example, a non-prime attribute exam name and another non-prime attribute, namely total marks, exhibit transitive dependency. So let us see how this transitive dependency is eliminated from this table shown here. Hence, the above student score table is now split into two tables with score ID, student ID, subject ID and mark attributes in one table, and the exam name and total mark attributes are separated from the original table and placed in another new table. And this is done to eliminate the transitive dependency, and hence third normal form is applied and the result of third normal form is shown as two new tables.